Alright, they're finally here. Going on that guy right there. Just check it out. Got the unboxing right here. Let's see what we got. Shit. So I got my extra little spare axle pins. Gonna need those. Alright. Got my spare cups for the diff. Check it out. Oh, look at that shit. That look pretty good right there. It's gonna give it some height. See what they look like. If they don't work on the gasser, then I'll put them on my X-Max. Nice ass mega truck tires. Look at that shit. That little reinforcement. Looks like they'll be alright in the sand too. If I put them backwards, they'll act like paddles. Pretty nice. Oh yeah. We'll see you guys. Alright. Check that out. Look at that view. It's gonna be interesting. This shit out, guys. That's how it was. And look at that. Now that's a big ass difference. There it is. The extra large 5T in its glory. Look at that shit. I grabbed the original tire. That's what I had on it. Yeah, it's gonna be a ripper, alright. Alright, let me give you that size comparison. That's a full size 12-ounce can of soda. And that's the rig. See, 12-ounce can of soda. It's pretty epic. Can't wait to get my grave digger though.